Hello everyone. Today our group will presentation about meat and fat bold type diet. Before we start the presentation about the topic today, let me introduce the member of our group. First, there is Aisyah Rasya Al-Fakih, Azizul Hakim, Eric, Yola Lisandra, and me, Aulia Kirana Absari. And this is the content that we will discuss today. First, we will discuss about what are bold groups. Next, we will discuss about what is the bold type diet. Is there any truth behind the bold type diet? And last, we will discuss about is there any evidence based on bold groups? So let's start our discussion today. Do you know what are bold groups? A bold type, also known as a bold group, is a classification of bold. Bold types or bold group are determined by presence or absence of certain antigen substance that can trigger an immune response if there are foreign to the body. The two most important bold group systems are ABO and rhesus. They determine someone's bold type A, B, AB, and O with positive, negative, or null, denoting rhesus status. Now, we will discuss about a bold group system based on ABO bold group system. The ABO bold group system involves two antigen and two antibody. The two antigen are antigen A and antigen B. The two antibodies are antibody A and antibody B. The antigens are present on the board red blood cell and the antibodies in the plasma. Regarding the antigen property of the blood, a human being can be classified into four groups. Those with antigen A, we name a group A. Those with antigen B, group B. Those with antigen AB, group AB, and those with neither antigen as a group O.
What is the blue type diet? A blue type diet is a dietary arrangement according to blue type. The diet is claimed to provide various health benefits from losing weight to preventing various diseases. In short, the blue type diet emphasizes that not everyone has the same way to lose their weight. However, any type of diet can lead to weight loss. It's just that the effectiveness and how much weight you lose will depend on the number of calories you eat, your age, and how active you are. And about the theory, the blue type diet theory was first initiated by a naturopathic doctor named Vittorio Di Adamo in 1996. This diet theory is based on research that each blood group diet contain lectin protein differently. So, based on the theory, if you consume food with lectin that are not in accordance with your blood type, it can cause blood clots to increase your risk of your healthy problems such as heart disease, cancer, indigestion, and other diseases.
Next, is there any truth behind the blood type diet? So, several studies focus on the statement of Diamo, and the results are quite striking and definite. So, the findings do not support the blood type diet hypothesis. The only blood group which is expected to have beneficial effect on cardiometabolic risk factor is group A because of it is focused on plant-based product. And the type blood O diet is quite similar to low-carb diets and show lower serum triglyceride because of avoiding grains. As a consequence, many processed foods such as sugar, which appear to affect blood sugar level negatively, but it is neglected that this is cause serious problem associated with the high consumption of cholesterol. Uh, Next is blood group A is rather the ancestral human blood group than group O, said as a DMO. But this evolution of blood is fundamentally wrong. And the next is limit lectins. So the idea behind the blood type diet is to limit lectins, which is a protein then being the sugar molecules based on your blood type. But this is derived from the idea that lectins can negatively impact some blood types more than the others. So, however, some researchers indicate that lectin has similar interaction with all blood types, both negatively interaction or positive interaction, and this is do not impact one blood type over another. So the statement is wrong.
Okay, for the next topic is about, is there any evidence? In 2013, there is no evidence for that. Based on the review study where researchers examined the data from over 1,000 studies, they did not find a single well-designed study looking at the health effects of the blood type diet. Therefore, they conclude that no evidence currently exists to validate the purported health benefits of blood type diet.
Another study conducted in 2016 to test the evidence of the blood type diet, resulting that there is still no evidence claims that the foods you eat react chemically with your blood type. According to the research on the blood type diet, people will avoid processed food and simple carbs. That may be enough to help to lose some weight, but any weight loss on this diet has not been linked to the blood type. There is also no research proving that this diet can aid in digestion or gives more energy.
Thank you for your kind attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe this posting and channel. If you have any question, you can go to Miss Teams and write your question there, and we will answer it through the form too. Thank you.